Alright guys, so we're back at Home Depot and we're going to check out the new sales and clearance. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Alright, so first up, Home Depot's got tons of deals going on for Milwaukee tools. They got a bunch of buy one, get one. So if you pick up one of these tools or the combo kit over there, you'll be able to pick up an XC 8 amp hour battery for free. $199 value. Then they got another buy one, get one going on. So bunch of different tools here. They did mark down the fuel surge to $169. Got some other tools that you can pick from, including the battery combo kit there. So if you purchase any one of those, you'll be able to get the XC 5 amp hour battery for free. Here's another buy one get one going on. So if you buy any one of these tools, they got the cutout tool, random orbit sander, oscillating multi-tool, or the 2-tool combo kit. They're going to throw in the 2 amp hour battery for free. And if you decide to go with the 2-tool combo kit, that's actually going to come with two 1.5 amp hour batteries itself. So you get 3 batteries total there with that buy one, get one. And part of that list of tools also is the 2-gallon wet and dry vac for $149. That also qualifies for the 2 amp hour battery. Also for M18, if you pick up the starter kit for $199, it's going to be a 5 amp hour battery. You can pick up one of the M18 Rover lights or the Searchlight for free. They also went ahead and knocked down the price on the M18 dual power tower light all the way down to $179. They had a few other deals going on for M18. They had the angle grinder, SDS, circular saw, and the batteries. That's a 6 amp hour batteries, 2-pack for $249. And then can't forget M12. They had a bunch of deals going on for M12 also. 2-pack to 3 amp hour batteries. They did have the stapler. So this is the 12-volt cable stapler. Another buy one, get one. So if you pick that up, they're going to throw in 2 free packs of staples. So 1,200 staples. They also had your choice for $99. They got the drill driver kit or the Rover light. And then for $79, they got the Hex right angle impact driver or the 2-pack of the 1.5 amp hour batteries. Then they had a couple deals going on for M12 for the buy one, get one. So right here, if you buy the starter kit for $199, this is the 2-pack of the 5 amp hour batteries. You'll be able to pick one of these tools for free. They got a pretty good selection of tools here. Out of this deal, I'd probably pick up the ratchet because my old M12 ratchet is starting to die on me. They also had another buy one, get one. So this is a 2-pack of the 2 amp hour batteries, and this one's only $129. But you don't get as large a selection of tools with this one. This one doesn't have the ratchet. So if I got one or the other, I'd go for the $199 probably. Looks like they went ahead and dropped the price of the 60-piece shockwave set down to $34.97. They got the 4-piece screw extractor set, and then we got some drill bits by Milwaukee. They also had another buy one, get one for M12. So if you pick up this 2-tool combo kit, you're able to get one of these M12 tools for free. And there's the ratchet I was telling you guys about, that 3/8" ratchet that took a crap on me. But I definitely got a lot of use out of that. For $14.97, your choice. They had a few things going on here. So you get the 6-in-1 fastback folding knife. These are pretty nice. Got a couple of them in the shop. They also got the 13-in-1 nut driver, 25-foot auto locking tape measure. They got the torque lock, C-clamp, and then over here they got the 9-inch finish nail puller and the cutting snips. And then for $19.97, they had the 3-pack of safety glasses, or your choice for $12.97, you get the gloves or the arm sleeve. And then they had the chainsaw over here. So this is a 16-inch chainsaw, the fuel for $300. And then they had the blower. This is the dual battery blower for $249. Some more lights. Your choice, $29.97. And then they had the headlamp. And then my favorite go-to work light are those magnetic stick lights coming in at $79. These are pretty nice. Just seems to be an easy go-to when you're working in a tight spot. And it has magnetic bottom. So those are pretty cool. It's rechargeable, $79. They also had some cold weather gear. So here is the fleece line beanie, $22.97. These are also pretty nice. And then they had the Free Flex pullover hoodie for $55. They also had some of the dipped gloves for $14.88. Those were the cut level 4. And then for 1088, they had the cut level 3. And the cut level 1 was 788. They also had the pocket t-shirts, $22.97, and then the long sleeve t-shirt for $27.97. They had the cut level 3 leather gloves for $14.97. These are some really nice work gloves by Milwaukee. They also had the trucker hats for $24.97, and then the vests for $60. And then the soft shell jacket for $100. If you guys are looking for the Milwaukee bibs, they also had those for $120. These are unlined, and they do have the free flex technology. A few clearance deals for Milwaukee also. They got the M12 portable power source all the way down to $34. This was $69. Also seen another clearance rack, and they had a bunch of different stuff marked down on this rack. Here is the hammer drill by DeWalt. This was $239. Marked this all the way down to $168. Flex Volt Advantage. Next to that, they had the Fuel M12 3/8 inch impact wrench, $199. And then down here, they had some batteries. So for $79, they had the 2-pack of the 3 amp hour batteries. Had a few of those there. For $99, they had the right angle drill, tool only on this one. Had the Makita angle grinder, $189. That was also the tool only. They also had a few rigid combo kits here for $349. So this is the brushless 2-tool combo kit. This is going to have the impact and then the high torque hammer drill. This also comes with 2 batteries. Came with a 6 amp and the 4 amp max output batteries. They had a few of those in stock. They also had the Ryobi HP 1-inch SDS. This was coming in at $189. So a few deals on this rack. Seems like they had the racks kind of spread out everywhere in the store. They also had some deals going on for Ryobi, so your choice for $59.97. A few tools there to choose from. Those are just the Ryobi One Plus. Your choice for $89. The starter kit, the blower, speaker, and then the 6-port fast charger. And then for $99, they had a few things to choose from. Lowered the price on the multi-tool down to $79. So it was $100. And then they had the 4-tool kit with the 1.5 amp hour battery down to $159. And I'm pretty sure that kit also comes with the 4 amp hour battery. And you do get a light with that one, so you're getting 3 tools. Also had for $169 the stick vacuum kit. And this is going to come with the 4 amp hour battery and the charger. This was $199. Seems to be a hot item. Only one was left. They also had the 6-inch pruning saw for $79. Tool only for that one. And then they had the 350 CFM blower kit. $99. That comes with a 4 amp hour battery. So 350 CFM, not too bad. Definitely more of a light duty blower. Another clearance deal for rigid. They had the bandsaw marked all the way down to $140. This was $229. Tool only on this one, but not a bad price on that. And then they also had the orbital sander, tool only, and this was down to $59. This was $99. Nice pickup there. Also seen another buy one get one down the aisle. So this is $259 for the Fuel M12 5/8 inch SDS kit. And if you pick that up, you get one of these tools for free. And then they had your choice, the M18 brushless SDS, D-handle, or the rotary hammer kit for $179. They also had some new lower prices for DeWalt. So a bunch of tools to choose from there, some batteries, some combo kits, and then they had a special buy also for the 4-tool kit with the 4 amp hour batteries for $399. They also had a DeWalt 25-foot tape measure with LED light, which is pretty cool. This was coming in at $30. They also dropped some prices on the corded power tools. So here's the D handle, right angle drill, down to $324. They also had some DeWalt deals. So here's the DeWalt drywall screw gun down to $117, a little discount on that. And then they also had the rigid marked down a little bit. So this is the heavy duty hammer drill down to $135. Here's a nice clearance deal here. This is the Tough Built folding sawhorses all the way down to $25.03. These are usually $50. I actually own a set of these. Use them a lot. Really like them. Built really well, but $25.03, really killer deal on that one. And then if you guys are into the Echo 56 volt line, they had some killer deals going on with these. So $140 for the hedge trimmer. Really good deal there. And then they also had a good deal on the trimmer blower combo kit down to $165. This is $329. And they still had a lot of inventory for these Echo deals. So I was kind of surprised with the prices being so low. The string trimmer kit for only $115, another really good deal. 12-inch chainsaw kit comes with a 2.5 amp hour battery down to $315. This was $629. And they had an even better deal on the 18-inch chainsaw with a 5 amp hour battery, $165. And they had a bunch of those still in stock. I actually might go back and pick one of those up. But tons of deals going on for Echo. If you guys are interested, check out your Home Depot. You guys might find the same deal. Here's another clearance deal for Ryobi. This is the HP string trimmer and blower kit. And they had this down to $150. This is normally $300. So another really good clearance deal. They still had a few of those available. And then they had the heater over here. This wasn't a really good deal, but they had this on clearance. Regularly $270 down to $225. This is pretty nice. This is the bronze Hampton heater. It's got the flame that goes up the middle. And they had up to 50% off of most of the patio furniture. They had this table marked down, $34. This is regularly $139, 42-inch slat table. A bunch of those still in stock. Definitely a good time to pick up some patio furniture if you guys are looking for it, maybe for next summer. They also had the wooden rocking chair, $74.50, so 50% off on that, and they had a bunch of those in stock. Well, this wasn't the greatest deal, but for $139 they had an 80-quart patio cooler. They had the Hampton Bay wooden folding chair, so this was $60. Had this in white. Here's a better look at those rocking chairs that were 50% off. A couple different colors there. Those are pretty nice. They also had the Gorilla Ladders 3-step steel stool. $10 off on that, down to $39.97. 225-pound capacity on this. They had some 20-gallon totes. These are the HDX ones, marked down to $5. These come in pretty handy if you need to store away stuff like seasonal items, anything like that. All right, guys, so that's about it for this walkthrough of Home Depot. Hopefully you guys found some value in the video. Hopefully you guys can find some of the same clearance deals at your Home Depot. Go online and check your local Home Depot. Sometimes they do list the clearance items on sale there. I actually checked my online Home Depot, and it did show that Echo chainsaw for $165 clearanced out. So you can check online. Unlike Lowe's, you actually got to go in the store. So it's nice that Home Depot provides you with some of the clearance prices online. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. If you guys like these types of videos, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Until the next one, guys, I will talk to you later.